Okay, hey guys, how are you? Can you hear me? Please let me know below the comments and we will start. Just give me a second, I prepare what I can do today. Yeah, I can. Yeah, hope you can hear me. So I'm back, sorry. A lot of the players and I can hear my voice everywhere, so this is really terrible. Okay, what the planning today? As I said before, we will finish this project. It's already a long time project, the complete building number 4. We will finish it today. As you can see in my trailer, here is the some plans what we will do today. So is no any things like I not will say I'm tired and not will finish it. As I said, I will finish this project today and I will share with you for free, of course. The things what we're gonna start it's elevation and details, because we don't have elevation and details at all, as you remember. And we should start the schedules, but schedules it's not so big problem, so we will spend not a lot of the time for that. You will understand the principles how to get your all the schedules from the all the quantities or what you whenever you want. And optimization project. So I will show you how you can optimize your project before you will export it to someone else. So you will see how you can pass your project to them, I don't know, 3D artists, to your clients, to sub workers, whenever you want. You will see how you can pass your project. Okay, hello everyone again. Yeah, hello Max. And let's start. So here is my project, and where is my completion project? I think is here. Let me check. Yeah, 9 October. This is that one. So here is our project. As I said, on the end of this video, I will share with you, and you will use it on your own non-commercial license. So it means you even can sold it out if you want. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, let me check again. Let's finish documentation. Now I will start the elevations, because we don't have elevations at all. Actually, I have the sections and elevations in Revit is pretty close. So if you know how to create the elevations, the sections, sections, elevations is not so big problem for you. So I will show you my sections. Where is my sections? Elevation is here. I cannot see my sections because this is not my project. Let me check. 10 of 1. Where is my project? So I will check it. Where is the project? Yeah. Again, I'm doing some mistakes before my stream. I think it's here. Yeah, here is some drawings. Let me check, and yes, here we have the sections. Okay, I'll show you my project browser, and here is our sections documentations, as you can see. So let's go back to the elevations, but to create the elevations we can use the standard one, as you can see here, the east, north, south and west, or we can go to the level 1 and we will check where is this elevations. As you can see, our elevations is here. So, and it's pretty close to what I want. As you can see, it's looking straight, it's perpendicular, so this is what I want actually. Thank you so much. And what we're gonna do, I will leave it, yes, because this is what we want. If you want to create the new one, what you gonna do, you just go to the view, and here you will find the elevations, and just click on it and place whenever you want. This is really so easy to place it. Just place your work, and after that you can choose the view where you want to orientate it. I focus, for example, to that view. So this is really simple to make it workable, but I will leave the standard one because it's not pretty bad, and this is approximately what I want. So let's go back to the east view, elevation east view. No, I think even we will go to the north view. Yeah, this is best view what I have, and we will start prepare that one. The first thing, I don't like the as you already know, I don't like the big titles, and I will change it to the 1 to the 50. So this is much better for me. I will change the detail to define, and I will leave the white color. After that, I will prepare all the my levels. This is what I want, and after that, what we're gonna do, we will start to work with the colors actually. But before we will do that, I want to see my crop view. Let's check it crop view, and let's check it on crop view visible. Now we can see where is our cropping view. After that, of course, you can make it on the annotate one, but we're not working with the annotate one. Annotate crop view, this is one dash lines, so it means our annotate will cropped after this line. But as you can see, my annotate or all annotate things, it's not going outside my box, so this means I can care about that. So let's make it a bit smaller. I don't want to see a lot of the terrain. I want to see only like half terrain, like that. As you can see, if if my annotate will go outside the box, it's starting to following my box. So this is mean annotate box, as you can see. If it's not touching your box, it doesn't happen anything, as you can see. The same thing here. If it will touch, it will follow your box. If it's not, nothing happen. I will leave it like that, and maybe I will do it a bit smaller. All my lines I will put outside of the boundary, and all these lines I will put it also outside the boundary. Actually, no, I will put it, yeah, outside the boundary. This is much better. Okay, so the next thing I wanna work with my graphic style. Let's go to the graphic display options, and we will switch on the smooth lines, because if I will do it on, as you can see, my lines become the more smooth. After that, we will go to the shadows, cast shadows, and show ambient light. And as you can see, now we can feel geometry of our building. The second thing I want to see where is my depth, because this wall, it's actually on the back side of my building, so I cannot see it properly. Let's go to the depth, and let's use it. Let's apply it. As you can see, nothing happened right now. Actually, it's so bad everything right now. And let's increase it to the 33%. Oh, it's too much, sorry. Let's do the differently. Yeah, this is much better. As you can see now, all the things what on the back side becoming more white color. This is what I want, and I will leave it like that. Okay, so nice. Now I want to work with the colors, because now we have the actually the white color, but we have our ground floor not white color. We can do the two things. We can change the material, we can override graphic, or we can use the visibility graphics. These three different options, and you should use the visibility graphics as much as you can. So it means for all your project. If you have the small project I have right now, you can use the override graphics. So override graphics, just click on your geometry, right click, and use the override graphics. If you have the big geometry, and if you're not working alone on this project, use visibility graphics. It means your partner, your colleague will simply understand where he should change some properties to get nice result, okay? But because once you use the override graphics, this is highest priority in Revit. So if even I will after that change my graphics in visual graphics, it not will change. So be careful with that, okay? Now I'm working in this project alone, and I can control everything because this is a small project, and that's why I'm using the visual override graphics. Okay, let's override it. I will use the pattern one, and I need this color. Let's apply it. I cannot see anything because we don't using the solid fill. Let's use the solid fill, and we cannot see anything as always. Let's say I'll go to the material. I think this is trouble with the material. Actually, the material using that one. Interesting. Oh yeah, because this is cut. I forgot that some of the part of this object is already cut, and yeah, this cut object, it's here. Let's apply it, and as you can see, it's becoming our soil becoming to the grayscale. And let's use this one. Okay, this we finish. Now we should work with the grass. Let's make a bit smaller. I will do the same thing with this part of them my earth. Give me a second. Let's apply it. The color is not same. I want the same. And that one. Okay, so pretty awesome. Now we should work with our the part with the grass. Okay, so what we're gonna do? This is visible. This is visible. Background. Okay, I will go to the material. Here is everything correct. Everything correct. Done. Give me a second. I don't want to use this style, so I will leave this style because this style much better. Could you structure modding on the project? Maybe later on, because I'm not structural engineer, so this will be so badly if I will teach you something, because I know the program, but know program and be engineer, it's two different things. I can show you something like I can say, oh, this column, this metal column you can do like that. Yeah, you can do in Revit like that, but in real life it's not like that. So if you know some structural engineer and he want to help me, so just go on. We will do some tutorial about that. Sorry, I want to drink. Okay, so let's continue. Now we wanna work with the graphics. We don't need level 0 right now. If you remember, you should use them. Just select that, right click, go to the hide view and elements, and now you cannot see your level 0 here, so you can see on the level 1. But to be honest, we don't want to see even the level 0 level 1 here. The reason is because we cannot see all the objects, any objects from the level 1. But we will do the other thing. We will go to annotate one, and we will find here the spot elevation. Use the spot elevation, place it on the entrance, and just like that. As simple as that. Now you will understand where your entrance and the point elevation of your entrance. So this is much better to understand, because this is level 1 and somewhere here it's I doesn't understand where is that. Okay, so after that we will use the dimensions. Here we don't need dimensions, as I said, because you are an architect, you can calculate the difference between these numbers, but some things you should calculate. You should show to the architecture. For example, the distance between grids, because we cannot understand, we don't have any numbers here. And I will change these grids to the 4.5. I did it for me. This is special for me actually, and this is a bit bold, as you can see. This is boldest one. Okay, so what we're gonna calculate else here? We actually need here the only spot elevations. That's it. I don't need anything here. For example, I wanna see my top point of this louvers. Okay, I can see now it. I wanna know where is the starting. Okay. So after that, I wanna see the lowest part of my, let's say, glass. I wanna see where is my wall starting. And just simple things like you can see right now. This will make your drawings more readable. I don't say this is not constructional drawing, this is not working drawing, don't think about it. This is only conceptual one. So if you an architect, of course you will do the details, for example, for the same for your client asking, right? But when it's a conceptual stage, you just showing only something, not everything, only something. And I will show all these things. I don't know what I want, so, and I will show it. And this one too. And I will put it under that one, like this. Okay, as you can see, I don't try to make it full of the annotation, because this is not about, as I said, working drawing, but this is still documentation. Okay, so we did it. Let's see. Okay, I wanna also put the here the slope. I wanna see my slope here, and I will put it here, because here we have the slope. It's not straight, as you know, and we put it our slope here. Pretty awesome. So what we're gonna do next? Next, here we have everything, and that's it. I think we don't need anything here, because this is only elevation. Oh, I get here the mistake, as you can see. If you can see, here is the inside of in my wall we have the one more louver. I will see. We will go to 3D and we will fix it up, because this is mistake. When we will calculate all the quantities of our louvers, I will get 2 extra, as you can see. We should mention about that. Okay, also I have here the panels. What I don't like in these panels, the first thing I not understand, is it the glazed or no. We will go to the edit in place, and now I will go to the annotate, and here I will find the symbolic line. And what we're gonna do, I will pick my working place, and I will show this is my glass, just like that. I will, oh sorry, cannot. Let's copy it, and let's say okay, done. And for example, I want to put it here. I'll put it somewhere here too. Maybe next one it will be here. So I'm using the model line. It means it just annotation. It's not 3D geometry, and this is much better, because don't use geometry to show something only for your drawings. Okay, now we can understand. Here is my glass. Okay, pretty well. Let's save it. Always I forgot to save it. The next thing, what we're gonna do, we will save it, and after that, actually I will do only one. No, okay, I will do 2 sections. Oh, 2 elevations. Just right click on this north and create view template from this finished visualization of our elevation. Create the view, and let's say this is elevation for documentation. Okay, so we did it. Now we're using template, as you can see. We can use the here elevation for documentation, and done. Now we will go, for example, to the east view, and I want to do the same thing with this view too. I just will apply this elevation for documentation, and ta-da, we get it. but now I want to change some of the sections. My cropping view, sorry. Let's change the my crop view. Now I want to see only till here and till the road. Why do to do till the road? Because my road it's like the 0 point of my project, and yes, right now we need the level 0 because my road is going to be close to the 0 level, as you can see. Okay, I don't want to see here any sections. Yeah, this is working drawing, I understand we should see the sections, but I don't want to see it. I don't want to see that. And here's my elevations. I will, and let's do like this. Don't show a lot of your earth. We don't need that. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, we can leave it like that. Just right click on that. Override element. Cut it. Where is my cut it? Here. And let's say we want to use this color. Okay. Nice. We have here the problem, because the problem is only about the 3D. We should cut it, but we can solve it by annotate. So we will do the annotate thing. I will go to the annotate one. I will find here the region, and I will draw the region here, like this. We don't need it there. You will see why I'm doing that. Done. So I just don't want to show this part of that, because there we not cut it our soil, and that's why we get like not right view. I don't like it at all, and that's why I'm using this thing. So let's go inside to the boundary, and this boundary will be invisible. Let's use the invisible line, and done. So this is much better. Let's continue work with that. Okay, here's a lot of the lines. Let's do these lines a bit close to our building, like this. As you can see, I'm using now 2D. 2D, it means it will be changed the position only in this view, and I'm unlocking it because I don't wanna change position of this line. Okay, so we did it. This is 1 to 50. Okay, and now I will use the spot elevation. Now we need the spot elevation only for our road, because our road is under minus half of a meter. I want to see the way my soil starting. As you can see, it's a bit too hard to find the line. Where is that? We cannot see it. Actually, it's starting somewhere here. Ah, yeah, it's starting here. I remember this number, that's why I'm saying it's starting here. And I want to see my roof part. Again, I will use here dimension between degrees, because we don't have any numbers right here, and this is really hard to find it. Okay, so we're done. And I will change position of my grids also to the positions, and I will change it till here, because my building finish only in this side. Done. So I will not apply anything here. We can use, of course, some let's say the sloping, but here it's not so clear, as you can see. So that's why I'm not using the sloping on the right side. Okay, we did it. We have now 2 elevations. I should save it. And now I will go to documentation. We have elevations. Now we will go to the details. So let's go to the details. So what we will do details, let me think. We want to work with the walls or something else. Let's say, yeah, I know, nice idea. We will work with details, for example, of our soil, how it's going inside. For example, I will go to the view, I will find here the cloud, and I will say, if you want to see properly what's going on under this side, go to the other view. I will change the position of this here and here. Okay, so it's here. I will make it a bit smaller, like this. And let's go inside to this crop view. Go to the view. Here we are. So and what I'm gonna do? I will select this soil. I'll right click on it, override graphics by element, and I will make it transparency, like 40%. Yeah, we did it. Now I will select that one on the back side, on the grayscale, which one? I will hide it for now, and I will select that one. This is wall. Pretty awesome. Actually, I don't need here any cast shadows. Okay, here is my wall. Right click, hide it. This view will show what's going on inside of this under the soil. What's going on? This view will show it. Hide element. Hide element. Okay. I will select this wall, and I will hide it. And now we can see what's going on under the on the underground floor. Okay, here is my nice. And I will change also here the one thing, depth. I want to make it clear without depth, and I want to disincrease the ambient light. Oh, don't reading it. So black. I don't like it. Sun. It's really interesting why it's done changing. But okay, I will leave it for now like that. Let me go into the north view. Oh, not east view. And let's see our callout. Our callout is now much bigger, but we cannot see what's going on under that one. But if we will go to our section, we can see properly what's going on here. I will reset temporary height. Now we can see our soil, and now we can see what's going on here. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is what I want, because we can see properly what's going on here, and we can draw, for example, some details if you want. Which details we can draw? If you will go to the Annotate, of course you can use the region to draw some details which you don't want to create in 3D. This is only up to you, because sometimes you don't need to create everything in 3D, so it's no one asking you to do that. It's only up to you. But if you want, of course, you can go to for example, to the structure. You can find here the wall standing, and you can use it for the wall like this, for example. And you can see now we have a standing of on our wall. So I will hide that one, and no, I not will hide it. Again, this is on the angle, and that's why we cannot see properly what's going on. Let's go to 3D and let's see what's going on here. As you can see, it's everything on the angle, and that's why it's like that. So okay, we'll leave like that because it's on the angle, and I don't want to change it because everything alright. But anyway, I will try to place some walls here. Not here. Okay. So we're done with that. As you can see, now we have extra detail. So you can make whatever you want here. For example, some I don't know, some annotation lines, some, for example, thickness of your wall, whatever you want, like as always, overall dimension, spots or spot elevation. As you can see, here is the my 0, as you can see, and here the my spot elevation of my door, but everyone understands this is door 2100, so it's not a secret actually. Done. Okay, we have the callout. I'll change the name and I will call it detail view 1. Okay, here is my detail view 1, and let's go back to the north view and let me think about the other one detail, because we will create it like 2 details. We will create different detail. Its detail we'll call it drafting view. Yeah, detail calling drafting view, and I will call it wall. And as you can see, it's blank, and if I will go to the architecture, I cannot see anything. I cannot use it at all, as you can see. But if I will go to the annotate, I can draw annotate line. Actually, drafting view, to better understand, this is AutoCAD. So it means you can load inside here some AutoCAD drawings, because you don't need to create 100% same, for example, detail of your wall if you have like AutoCAD drawing. How to find AutoCAD drawing? I think everyone know how to do that. Let's go to the Google. I will show you how to use the Google. After that, you just should write like wall detail .dwg, and you will get thousands of that. You don't need to copy it. As you can see, we get like some. Just find your variant of your building, because your building, if you're not working in Zaha Hadid, so your building not so unique. I mean, in the construction site. Okay, this is my building, so I can see this detail from my building. I will load it up. Oh, login. Okay, use my Facebook. I don't have here the Facebook. Okay, use my Google one. Just give me a second. I will download it and I will back. I'm here. I just wanna log in it and download it. Just give me a second, okay? I think you will wait me. Just download. Okay, it's loading to my. Okay, we're done, and where is me? And I'm back. Okay, here I am, and what I'm gonna do, I will load my DWG now to this screen. Just use the insert and use import the cut, not the link, import. Now we will use the import. Let's go to the desktop and we will find our drawing. Actually, this is zip file, so I will unzip it. And here's the my wall. Okay, let's use the my wall and let's import it. I want to use actually black and white colors only. Let's import it. And as you can see, we get our drawings here. Delete what you don't want. Just select that. Explode everything. Done. And delete what you don't want to use. I don't want to use these lines. I don't need actually. As you can see, this is even not to scale. This is what I want. And numbers I will change. I will do my own one. Here is actually the 1. Here will be 1. And here will be 2. Okay, we'll be done. As you can see, we get the construction details here. This is exactly what I want. And I spent like few seconds for that one. And we have it inside the Revit. So it's not problem. Where is that? You will find it under the drafting view detail. As you can see, this is independent drawing. It's not will connect with your all drawings from the BIM. So this is independent one. And let's back to the our trailer, and we will say detail finish, and let's it put on under the done. And now let's work with the schedules, and after that of course we should create the lists. Okay, I no wanna forgot about the lists. Title list, I already have it, so I will delete it. Renders I have, and what is that? Details, stair detail. Okay, maybe later on. Schedules, windows count. Okay, let's go back to the Revit. Now we need to the windows count. We have doors, we have rooms, and we need the windows. Where's our windows? It's here. Let's use it. And what we need? We need count it. We need also the type of that. Actually, I needed the type and the family name, but we will see later on. And we need the some sizes of that and height of that too. And we need the levels. Actually, it's not everywhere. I have only one level, but anyway. Where's my level? Level. I cannot find the level. Level is here. Okay, we're done. First it will be go to the type. After that we'll go to the level. Count, it will be last one. And the type one, this one, we will make the one parameter. Let's make combine parameter. And we need here the width and height. Where's my height? It's here. Actually, the height it will be the second one. Yes. I need the separator like that, and that's it. Let's say okay. I will delete now that two parameters because now I have combined parameter. Let's say okay. As you can see, we get all our windows by levels. Done. Some of them it's pretty same, so we need prepare our schedule. Let's go to the edit, sort, and let's sort by type 1. Let's say okay. Oh, sorry, not. We will sort actually, yeah, by type 1, and I wanna stack it. And as you can see, we get by type 3 levels and only 3 quantities, and everything else by ones. Okay, so we did it with the Windows schedules. Sorry. So what we're gonna do next? Next we're gonna do. Let's calculate lures or materials. No, first we will calculate materials. After that, lures. Okay, let's go back to the Revit. We need calculate materials. Materials, we should use the material takeoff actually. Let's use the material takeoff. And now we will go to the walls. From the walls, I need material mark and name. And I need the square meter volume. Let's say okay, and we get all the materials here, as you can see. But actually we get it separately. We will go now to the sorting back, and I will sort it by name. And don't use item every instance, because we wanna stack it. We did it. Let's go back to the sorting. We're sorting by name, and we wanna sort by mark. Okay, we're doing that one. And let's sort by, not by volume, not by name, header, footer, counter. I don't need that. Let's I will say I don't have a mark, as you can see, so I will not include the mark. This will be much better, and I don't need to use that thing like header. Okay, that's much better for me. Eevee. Actually, this material I'm using for my 𝒕𝒉𝒊, if you remember the project. Oh, this is so badly. Okay, using by name, using this separately. I'm stacking it, as you can see, but why it's not calculating? Calculating, as you can see, yeah. But I wanna stack it. It's not stacking. Why? Sort by name. Don't sort by name. Actually, it's not by material by volume. Let's use the. Oh, I don't need volume. I need area. Sorry, this is my mistake. We will use by area. Yeah, this is much better by area. And then I need to change the material name actually. Material name. Yeah, this is taking time, guys. Sorry. Because I'm thinking about that, because when I will use the include elements by itemize, everything will be alright, but I wanna stack it. Sometimes it's working really so badly, as you can see. When you starting to sorting it by itemize, it's going to fail. I need to solve it by levels actually. Where is my levels? Levels, or by family. Let's try it by family. Family walls, basic wall, and yeah, it's not sorting as I want. I will do like that. No, it's not working like that. Okay, anyway, it's not wanna work like I want. How come? Because yes, because we have only not walls. Oh, this is terrible. The material is not coming only from the walls. Okay, anyway, we can make it by itemize right now, and later on I will check it why. Plaster. Okay. What the next? Next louvers. It's will be hardest one, because louvers we cannot calculate like that. We should use Dynamo. Actually, this is pretty simple to use it. Where is my level? 3D levels. And now I wanna see this my section box. Here is my louvers. Actually, we need only the name rectangular family 1. Just use Dynamo. Where is my manage? Dynamo. Just give me a second. Dynamo, start faster. Sorry. Dynamo taking time. Why I didn't save my project? Okay, everything correct. New one, and we need the family. Family type, and by family types. Okay, here's my family, all elements of type. I need the family 1. Let's find the family 1. Mess. Family 1. Let's connect it here. Here's element type. Family type. Okay, here's our numbers of our louvre. Done. As you can see, this is pretty simple. But we need to transfer this parameter to somewhere else. So, but also we get the quantities of our louvers. it's not bad, as you can see. Actually, our louvers it's curtain panels. I will try to make it by Revit without Dynamo. Let's find here the curtain panels. Okay, it's here, and we need the name of that family, and let's use the family, and we need the count. Let's say okay, we get it, but we get all the system families, but we need only family 1, as you can see. Let's go to the filter, and we will go to the name. I want a name. Where's my family type? Filter. I cannot filter by family type. How I can filter? I can filter by what? By finish. By type. I think by type. We cannot do that. No, we can do that by type. I will try use the filter by type. It cannot use it. Interesting. By type no. As you can see, you cannot even defilter it. Because actually the Revit cannot do this included like system panel. Actually, we can stack it. Actually, it will be much easiest. You will stack it everything. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you will stack it by the family. Done. Not done, because I didn't stack it. Don't itemize. Okay, you will stack it, and you will close, for example, the curtain panel. Like hide it. You can hide it actually. You cannot hide it. This one I will hide. Delete the row. If I will delete the row, I will delete my objects. So this is badly. Oh, Revit, what's going on? Yeah, we can solve this problem when we will put everything on the... Yes, we can use the comments, but I don't like it at all, you know, because we can make even the share parameter. This will be much better than comments, but this not like vanilla tool from the Revit, because it's like tricky ways. I wanna use like a vanilla one, but as you can see, I cannot even if I'm using, for example, family type, I cannot use the filter by family type. What the hell is that? So this is really bad one. Yes, we can use your comments. What he talking about? If you're using the comment, it's under the standard, it's empty. So, and if you will see now you can use the filter by comments equal to something, right? And he is saying like we can, for example, where's my 3D? If you, for example, have your curtain wall, you can write here the comment, for example, 1. If you will go back to the panel and you will use the filter, comment equal 1, and now you will get only one panel. So he talking about that one. Yes, you can use it, but when you have a lot of the things this way, it's not sometimes useful. For us, for now, yeah, it's so useful because we can select all entire this project. We will select only these panels, and we will write the comments 1, and we will get the result. So yeah, as you can see, now we get the result. We will hide only our comment because I don't wanna see it, and we will get our thing here. So now we can change only the name. The formatting, I will change the name from the family to the type panel. It will be type panel. That's it. Type panel. Okay, this is type panel, not panel. But best way to create the better way, it's not best way, better way. You will go to the manage, you will find here the shared parameters, and you will use, for example, as you can see, I have not a group for that one. I will create the new group and I will call it curtain panel type, like this. This is best way. Let's say OK and say this is wood louvers, common one, and this is count. Or for example, this is comment. Where is the comment? Comments. Yes, no, image. Then okay, this is just integer or the text. Doesn't matter. For example, text. Say OK. Here is the your parameter. Let's go to the under properties, and as you can see, we create the new parameter. So you can create even new one parameter if you want, and use it whenever you want. So you can do, for example, these things. This is not bad too. Up to you. Where is my 3D? But you need to create here as your new parameter. I don't have it right now, but you can do that. Okay, so now we cool with that. Let's check it out. Material we have. Oh, material we also have. Topography information I not will do today because it's a really long time. It's like 1 hour only topography. Material in Dynamo, I think you already understand, but this is same thing like I already showed with the count. So let's leave it like schedule. It's under the finish. And now title block. Title block, it's not the hardest one. I can say it's simplest one. Let's go back to our title, to the sheets. Let's create the new sheets, and as you can see, I have here the standard one. Let's use the standard one. I don't want to change the standard one because it's also not so bad as you think. As I said, this is only concept, and you can leave it as it is. And right now we will place everything what we did. For example, this is plan view, and let's say this is rename first. This is our concept. Let's call it concept. The sheets number 00001 and name plans. As you can see, it's changing the name. Owner changing by shared information, global parameters. Sorry, you can create the global parameter, project information. I'm sorry. You will say here who is that, owner, client. As you can see, it's me, and it's changing really fast. For example, the project name, it's project complete project 4, the project number 004, and issue date, it's today. Project status, concept, and everything is changing. For example, you can write also who is the checking by if you want, me, and after. And as you can see, it's really not bad. So use this template. It's not so. I cannot say this is really bad because someone doing, if you don't have your own one, it's really bad. No, guys, don't think like that. Now I just going inside to the template and just deleting Autodesk, and I'll save it right like this. So this is what I want. Let's place our levels. Level 0, let's go here. Here is our level 0. Let's place it. As you can see it here, not bad. But my section becoming really biggest one. I don't want to see it like that. I will make it more smaller, like that, and like that. This is only annotation because real my section view, as you can see it here, still here. And let's change these dimensions. Let's go inside of that. After that, I will use now crop view and view it. I want to see with my cropping view. Yeah, it's here, and let's make it smaller, like this, and like this. Double click on that, and as you can see, my view becoming more smaller. And now I will control all these joysticks, as you can see here, and I will prepare how it should be looks like like this. Select your view and say you want to see your cropping view, and you will get like this. We spent really like few seconds to prepare this view. Let's say on this sheet we will make the level 0 and level 1. Let's place it here, and we have everything same, but we need only prepare our cropping view, because I forgot about that on our previous video. And let's prepare it like this and like this. As I said before, you can make your section more smaller, because you changing only the annotation lines, not the final one. And after that, just uncheck the crop region viewing and place your level here. Okay, maybe somewhere here. If you want to see where's your network, you can go, for example, to the my annotate analysis. I will find it. It's here, and I want to see guide grid. And now you can see your guide grid, and you can work now with the guide grid. Guide grid working also with the align. As you can see, you can align it and work with that. Okay, here is the one, and I want to put it here. This one, move from here to here. Okay, double click, and let's make it a bit smaller, only 2D. 𝒕𝒐𝒏𝒕, and 2D. Okay, here is nice, and here is, let's work with that one. Okay, not bad. And now I wanna work with my level. Select that, place it, and let's do it this more smaller, because now it's really huge. I mean the line, like that. Okay, now I want to see my grid. I will just make it on none. As you can see, here is our view. Not bad. We can place, for example, here some data. For example, about our rooms, because here we have the level 0 and level 1. Let's go back to our schedules, and we will find here the room schedule. Let's place our schedule here. We will do it more accurately. Let's make it here. Here is our room numbers. But I wanna not only room numbers. This is really terrible. Why it's only room numbers? I want an area of that. Okay, we have the number. We want also the name of our room, and we want also the area. Where's the area? Area is here. Okay, I want to sort by name, and this is much better. Some of that have the same number, as you can see, so that's why we should make it separately. And I wanna grand total. Not only just grand total, I wanna see the grand total area. Area, calculation, total. Now we can see. Let's make it smaller, like this. Let's go back to our list. Where's our list? It's here. As you can see, we get properly documentation right now. Okay. So you can put here all the information what you want. For example, now we have the room schedule here. You can put, for example, here door schedule if you want. Let's make like this. This is main one. It should be see everywhere, and I will put somewhere here, because client will see his name, and he will see how much he should pay for all of that. Okay, and let's put it a bit to the left. much better. And here is door schedule. And where is our panel schedule? And also we need our windows. As you can see, you can even work with your schedule right here. For example, I want to do this smaller the count. As you can see, we can work here. You don't need to go back to your schedule. As you can see, the count is also big here. You can make it smaller, as you can see. Okay, nice. And we have the window. We have the wall material takeoff also, but it should be make, as you can see, 2 1 because we cannot place it right here. And I will do panels, it's here under that one. Okay, we did documentation, as you can see. The second list we can place only, for example, the sections and details. For example, what I prefer to do. Let's rename this one, and we will call it 𝒒002, and we will name it section. Let's go back to the inside of that one, and now we will place it here, some sections. Where's my sections? It's here. Let's place it. Here's my section, as you can see. We don't need to change anything on the section because section is pretty cool. And let's make it smaller, and let's place our cross name a bit. As you can see, this tricky way. When you will select your window, and once you will try, for example, replace name, you will replace window and name. But if you will select only the name, you can change the position of the name. So this is the tricky thing. And we should place here our drafting view wall. What is a drafting view wall? If you remember, here is our not to scale sections. So as you can see, this is really huge one. We should make it a bit smaller. Let's make it 1 to 220. And as you can see, this not readable. Let's make it 1 to 10. This is much better because 1 to 20 it's not readable at all. I will go inside to this drawing. 1 to 20. Yeah, it's not readable. Actually 1 to 5 even better, but this is the baddest thing from the AutoCAD, but we cannot do anything with that. This is really painful. The one thing what I can do, I want to place it some of the right side. For example, like that. Try to use the maximum space from your title blocks. So what I'm gonna do right now, just double click on my section view. I will make my level 0 on this side. Okay. Now I will do this a bit smaller. And my cross section name, I will change position to here. Now it's much better than it was before. As you can see, we used maximum space. Let's change the crop view. Till here. So done. As you can see, we get nice one. Also, I will change the position of my grids. I will do it a bit smaller, and I will replace my dimensions a bit down. Done. What do you think about that? So we have the plans, we have the sections, and the last one we will create the elevations. I'll duplicate the view. Let's better to create the new one. Create the new one. Again, the name of that C3 elevation. Here's my elevations, and I have the elevations. Which one? East one. So the east one, it will be here, and the north one. Let's make it a bit like that, and let's change the position of that. Let's go inside of that, and I want to change cropping style like this. Much better. Don't forget to uncheck all of these things. No worries, it's not will be printed, but if you're annoying of that, so the better to uncheck the visible of your section box. Okay, we're done with that. Let's make it like this. So as you can see, we finished our documentation. Yes, this is simple documentation, but who told you we will do the real documentation? Real documentation taking the long period of the time, like weeks, and it's not just a process for the one person who will make it for the 1 hour. It's possible, but it will take a lot of the time. As you can see here, we have also some detail. Once you will place your detail, you will get the number here. For example, if I will put my detail on this view, you will see the number of this number 3, 𝒕𝒐𝒓𝒈𝒂𝘀, and let's make it smaller. 1 to 25, 1 to 100. I will do to 1 to 50. And we get our detail view here. I now want to see the sections, and as you can see, now we understand what's going on inside of that. Done. I will save this project, and what I'm gonna do right now. Right now, actually, I'm planning going to the Telegram, and I will go to my group, and I will share with you with this project. If you want, of course. It's only up to you guys. Tutorials. I forgot which one. Oh, I forgot one thing. How to export your project. So this is really important for you guys. We should export it. We will go to the manage one, and not manage. Let me think. To the. It's a bit different. Manage. Add-ins, sorry, yes, we will go to the add-ins. Here you will find transmit your model. Let's go inside transmit your model. Oh, we should close the project. I will close the project. I will close this project, and I will transmit this project. So don't save any changes. Add-ins, transmit projects, browse your model. Let's find our model. I think it's here. Let's open up it, and after that we need to save it to somewhere. For example, I will save it on the under my desktop, and I will call it for my subs, and let's say okay. So what I'm gonna do? Include transmitter error reports. No. Create output folder for each source model. Yes. Link Revit models. Yes. External keynote files. No. Decals model. No. CAD links. I don't wanna. Actually not. No, I wanna DVF marks. No. Clean up the model. So I no need to use the. I not will transfer you any work sets. I will purge model, and I will remove all the sheets. Include 3D views, area plan, ceiling plan, detail plan, graphic column schedules, no need, legends, no need, schedules, and done. So as you can see, only that one I will transfer to you. Legends, okay, I will leave the legends. Renderings, I don't have it. And sections, sorry, yeah, sections. Done. And let's transmit model. Because you will get now clean model without anything, only clear model with the views what I choose right now. Successful, complete project, okay. Let's open the project. As you can see, here is for my subs. And now it's 23 MB only. Let's check it out, what's going on inside of this project. And as you can see, here is our project. Actually, I should delete also these decals, but this is PDF, it's not decals. But okay, I will leave it. Maybe you need it. So, and as you can see, we get the clear. We deleted what we don't need, and I'll save it only what you need. So, where's the my group? And here you will find the model. Go there and get it. If you want, of course. Open. Done. Okay, so any comment, guys? If not, so this is finished for today. If not, of course. So it's sending the model, as you can see. And let's go back to the model. As you can see, I a bit changed our model, because this project is not a new building. This is a reconstructing building, and as you can see, it's a bit different terrain and a bit different the place around this building. I changed it because it's really boring to doing replica of the reconstruct building, because you should follow the real model. You should follow the real situation. You cannot make any ideas. You cannot go out of the boundary. So, and that's why it sometimes is boring. Yeah, I know the reconstructing, it's really nice thing. It's really hard thing, but reconstructing cool when you're using, for example, laser scale. When you placing on the middle of your room the laser scanner, and laser automatically getting the data around themselves, and after that you will just replacing the walls. This is pretty cool. But the other things, you just following what you get, like you get some points, and you just trying to create your walls on the same way as the points. That's it. So this is like that. Okay, if you don't have any questions, thank you for watching, and maybe I will go to the rest, because I'm a bit tired of that. And yes, guys, I know not a lot of the people watching me right now, but I need some ideas, because we finished this project. What the next project you want? I have idea to create some skyscraper building, like 20 or maybe 50 levels. It's not just commercial building. We can create, for example, with the parking, underground parking, with the some supermarket, and after under that one we will get the apartments, let's say. So I can create the project like that. If you want to see this project, just let me know. You can write on the Telegram, or you can write under the comments. Up to you. For now it's finished, and thank you for watching. See you next time. My tutorials will be on the Monday and the Wednesday and on the Saturday. Don't miss out it, okay? Thank you. Don't forget, hit the like for this video, if you like it, of course. See ya.